Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Putu Michelle Pusparani, number 32. I'm class 12 language. Okay, I will review a novel entitled Fall Leaf Never Had the Wine. This novel tells the story of the life of Tanya and Dede, who have to drop out of the school and become buskers due to the family economic limitation after his father's death. They both live in a cardboard house with their sickly mother. Their life changed after meeting a man named Danar. Danar is an employee who is also a children's book reader. Danar is so kind that this family consider him like an angel. Tanya really admires Danar because apart from being kind, he also has a charming face. One day, Danar gave them a rented house so that Tanya, Dede, and their mother no longer need to live in a cardboard house. Tanya and Dede can go back to school, and their mother sells cake. They grew closer like family. The atmosphere changed somewhat when Danar broke his close friend Ratna. Tanya feels jealous. She doesn't like seeing Danar's closeness with Ratna. Dislike is not just a feeling of envy of a sister, but later Tanya has not been able to translate what that feeling means. Their happiness was reduced when Tanya's mother died. It is very hard for Tanya to accept the fact that her parents are dead and now she has to take care of the sister. Luckily, there was Danar who has always by their side. Tanya grew into a beautiful and smart girl. He managed to get a scholarship to Singapore. He has achieved a number of achievements in his studies. Other life experiences that Tanya has gone through have made her more mature than other girls her age. His feeling towards Danar also became clear. Gradually, Tanya knew that feeling is called love. But Tanya's love for Danar is not easy. They have been together for years in the status of brother and sister. What's more, they are 40 years apart in age. For teenagers like Tanya, falling in love with a man much older than her is enough to make her dizzy. His teenage side made him want to express his feeling, even though he did not know whether Danar had the same feelings as him or not. Things got even more difficult when Danar decided to marry Ratna. Tanya is heartbroken. He decided not to attend their wedding even though Danar and Ratna had persuaded him. Sometime later, Tanya found out that Danar and Ratna's household life is not happy. Ratna tells Tanya that Danar has changed a lot. Danar became quiet and was often not at home. Ratna knew something was blocking them. There was someone between her and Danar, but she never knew who the shadow was. From the story, Tanya finally found out that Danar also loved Tanya. Danar wrote down his feelings in the novel Love of Hidden Trees, which he never finished writing. The big egg difference make a Danar feel the Danar feel he does not deserve to love Tanya. He should not have loved a little girl like Tanya. When Tanya and Danar both knew their feelings for each other, it was too late. After all, Danar has married Ratna. Finally, Tanya returned to Singapore and decided to live all her love stories. Okay, I think the story is glitch, a bit like a soap opera. Terelie, other works always make me feel at home reading without waiting to skip over each part of the story. But while reading is novel, many times I miss part that feeling boring. It's different from Terelie other works which although simple can feel special through their true-to-life narrative. However, this novel still teaches a lesson, especially the philosophy falling leaf never had the wine. Whatever we experience, never blame the circumstance. Okay, so I will. The story is end. Okay, see you the next time and goodbye. Om Santi 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 Om.